Welcome to J&J's test video for S4CE263, a roll down the side of a mountain SSR. But I want to show you the motor running because I had electrical tape the MAF on and watch the little throttle position sensor work to keep it idling. Pretty cool. Watch. Do this. Wait, where'd you go? Which one does it? Oh, I'm trying to move it and it fights. All right, let's start it up. I got to go from the other side. I think it'll work with the pedal. There we go. I can't get it to idle, or I can't get it to rev hard because the throttle body's messed up and it's smoking from being on its roof. So, let's see if I can get it to do it. I don't think I can. Nope, all I can do is get it to idle. Alright. We have, where's the oil pressure? Gauge is off, but she's running. Alright, and that'll be it. S4CE263. There you go. As always, thank you for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered.